Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Asia Broadband with ticker symbol AABB. I'll tell you everything you need to know why is this penny stock doing so well recent days and why I think it won't stop anytime soon, but on the contrary, this penny stock has just scratched its surface. I'll cover the basics about the company, about the recent news, where I see it heading. I'll show you their financials so we can see if it's profitable or not, and I can already tell you that it surprised me with their incredible financials. But before we begin, I'd like to ask you if you could click on that beautiful red subscribe button if you are interested in more videos like this one, and smash the like button if you haven't done that so already. It truly helps me out to defeat the algorithm. With that out of the way, let's get into the video. If you check out the chart just really quickly for past 5 days, we can see it's up 130%, but for past month it's still down 12%, and the recent gains happened in past 10 days. But now to the company, let's head into their website. If we check out their website, we can see they claim to have a unique vertical integration approach to precious and base metal sales. They are a resource company focused on the production, supply and sale of precious and base metals to primarily Asian markets. If we check out their about sections, they add to their previous information that the company utilizes its specific geographic expertise, experience and extensive industry contacts to facilitate its innovative distribution process from the production and supply of precious and base metals in Mexico to our client sales networks in Asia. This vertical integration approach to sales transactions is the unique strength of Asia Broadband and differentiates the company to its shareholders. And if we scroll down in their main page on their website, we can see that they launched AABB Gold, a new ERC20 gold-backed token, and with the launch of AABB Wallet, Asia Broadband expects to become a world leader in providing a standard of exchange that is of excellent quality, is secure, transparent, trusted and backed by gold. And this is why I believe this company and this penny stock is heavily underrated, even with their current conditions and their current state. Even though it's up 2000% since 2 months ago, it's up tremendously, but it won't be stopping anytime soon. And in this video, I'll show you more why. So as we know already, they launched gold-backed cryptocurrency token, and in this article I'll go more into detail so we know what we are dealing with. The AABB Gold token, also known as AABBG, is backed 100% by physical gold held by the company in several high-security private locations in Mexico. The company will continue to back the token 100% by additional physical gold acquired from the future mining production and gold purchased from cash reserves or credit. The initial token release will be backed by $30 million in physical gold the company currently holds. At today's market price of gold, this initial token release will be approximately 5.5 million tokens at 1/10 gram of gold price for each AABBG token. The token price will also be tied to and supported by the company at the market price of gold at a minimum. As the price of gold fluctuates, the minimum supported price of AABBG token will increase or decrease, but the potential upside price of the token will be driven by market demand, and that's very important. They are a crypto token. As a whole, any other crypto token is just being driven by the market demand. There's nothing behind it except the blockchain. And here you have another cryptocurrency, another token, but this one, and from any other token, is very special and highly outstanding, and that's because they're backed by gold, by something physical which you can grab, you can hold, and something which doesn't lose its value and is very handy in current times of big inflation. And the dollar will lose its value over time, future upcoming stimulus package, it all goes hand in hand with dollar losing its value. Therefore, this penny stock is actually a very good solution if you don't want to lose your money. So let's quickly cover the AABB Gold token. And with that, they have their own AABB Wallet, which you'll need to install on your smartphone to get access to it, and then you can freely transfer it among your other wallets. And they have even their separate website to this AABB Gold token, so let's now head over there. Here it will show you that the tokens are available for purchase and that you need to do the steps I just said, and they remind you that you should keep a lookout for their press releases and on-site notifications for future updates regarding the AABB Gold token. Now we appear on their separate website regarding to their AABB Wallet and AABB Gold token. I will not go through the whole website, I'll put a link in the description. I'll just highlight some important details you should pay attention to and which should be interesting to you if you've never heard of this before. If you click onto their gold token site or section, we can see how many of their tokens have been actually sold to March 18th of 10 AM. After the initial launch, there's been already a lot of tokens sold. We can see there is a big attention to this token and this cryptocurrency, and I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon, because they have something so unique which nobody hasn't come up with yet, because it's not very financially available, and this is where this company shines, are their financial statements. If we now head into otcmarkets.com, we can have a quick look into their financials. As we can see, for past 3 to 4 years they have very good gross profit. For past 2 years they have been profitable and they have very nice increases on all the fronts. And if we now head into their quarterly reports, we can see that they have now three of the 4 quarters from 2020 reported, and we are now waiting for the 4th one. And let me tell you, after the 4th one will be released, it's going to pump the stock price immensely, because if we check it out, their gross profit for the first 3 quarters of 2020 is $11,400,000, and if we check out their annual gross profit from 2019, it's $6.7 million. So we can see for past 3 quarters they've almost doubled gross profit from year 2019. So we can see, I think for sure, 100% increase in their gross profits for 2020 from 2019 to 2020. Which is going to pump the stock price and definitely attract even more people than it is right now, as well as their net income. As we can see, for the first 3rd quarters from 2020, we can see their total net income is $8,767,000 compared to whole 2019, which is just $5,355,000. Another huge point. And who wouldn't love a profitable company with high growth of their profitability or net income as well as their revenues? And if we check out StockTwits, we can see there's over 30,000 people already watching this penny stock, and I think there's going to be very big increase in numbers next week, because this penny stock is one of the most unique penny stocks I've came across and one of the most profitable and unique companies which you can most likely get your hands onto in this current market situation and worldwide economic situation as well. So let's remember, the price per coin shown here on this screenshot is $5.6. Now let's head back into their website, where you can see that as of March 18, which is 3 days ago, there's been 137 million coins sold. Let's say the price of the coin is $5.6, which already equals to $763 million worth of their coins, held by the public, just public, or maybe some private investors, who knows. But this is information or price or the amount of money put into their coins or tokens already just in 3 days. Or maybe 1 day, I'm not sure, because this information is quite updated and I don't have yet access to the wallet. I'll be definitely getting into this for sure. I don't know how much money I will put into it, but I see this as once in a lifetime opportunity. Just like if Bitcoin would be worth, I don't know, $10, I see this as a very similar thing, not only their penny stock or the company, as well as the token or their cryptocurrency, because both of these options offer very big upside in my opinion. So that was my take on this company, Asia Broadband, with ticker symbol AABB. I'm absolutely stunned by this company. I absolutely love their balance sheet, their net incomes, their revenues, everything. They're just doing fantastic job from this side, so I would invest in them almost immediately just from that point of view. And you know, you add that new launch of their token, they have almost $1 billion in assets, let's say, not to mentioning they are getting money as well as from the transactions, and it's going to be a big money cow for this company. They've been doing tremendously well until now, before they launched the token, and you know, this year 2021 we could see big explosions. We could see going into $5 to $10 with ease, because you know, if you think about the economy of the devaluation of the dollar with the inflation and you know, the uncertainty, a company like this which invest and hold precious metals will not lose value, because when there is a crisis and everything goes down in value, gold and precious metals holds its value, as well as should cryptocurrencies, because they aren't really connected to the economy, and their token, especially because it's backed by gold, and everybody will go flood in and there's just a limited amount of tokens. But again, they said they could release more tokens if it's going to be necessary, and usually when this happens, they reward the people who already holding their tokens, so it's fair to everyone. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, definitely subscribe to the channel so don't miss out on any new upcoming videos, as well as smashing the like button really helps me out to get this video to as many people as possible. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts and opinions in this company. Are you in it? Are you planning to get in it? Do you already own their tokens? Let me know. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.